Friends, welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about graphical method of solving pair of linear equation. Let us consider a pair of linear equation in two variables, say a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. To find the solution graphically, we need to follow the given procedure. We need to find at least 2 or 3 solutions of each of the given equation. Then we should go for drawing the graph of both equations on the same paper with same scale of representation. Now, it has 3 outcomes. If the graph represents two intersecting lines, then the coordinates of point of intersection, say A and B, is the solution of the pair of linear equation. In this case, the system of equation will have unique solution. If the graph represents two parallel lines, then there is no point of intersection. Consequently, there is no pair of values of x and y which satisfy both the equations. So the given system equation will have no solution. The third outcome is if the graph represents coincident or overlapping lines, then there are infinitely many common points. Thus, the given system equation will have infinitely many solutions. Such pair of linear equation is called dependent pair of line linear equations. Let's see some examples. Represent the following pair of line linear equation graphically. Find the points where the lines intersect y-axis. The pair of lines, the linear equations are 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. The given linear equation is 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 2x minus 5 minus y minus 5 equals to 0. So as per the procedure, we have to find out at least two solutions for both the equations, for both the linear equation. So the table for the linear equation 3x plus y minus 5 is when x is 1, y is 5 minus 3x. So when x is 1, y equals to 2. When x is 0, y is 5, and when x is 2, y is minus 1. Likewise, table for line 2x minus y minus 5 is when x is 1, y is minus 3. When x is 0, y is minus 5. And when x is 3, y is 1. Now let's draw the graph through the points. Let nominate the points a1, 2, b0, 5 and c2, 1 for the first linear equation, and d1, 3, e0, minus 5 and f3, 1 for the second line linear equation. So here we have represented the two straight lines. This particular line is the represents 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0, whereas this particular line represent is the line passing through A, B and C represent 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. So from the graph it is clear that both the equations, both the linear pair of equation intersect the y axis in 0, minus 5 and 0, 5. 3x plus y minus 5 intersect y axis at 0, 5, whereas 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0, it intersects y axis at 0, minus 5, and both the linear equation intersect each other at the point 2, minus 1. It is clear that the lines intersect each other at the point 2, minus 1. Let the name of the point is C, and the line 3x plus y minus 5 intersect at the point B 0, 5, and the line 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0 intersect y axis at E 0, minus 5. Hence this is the answer. Solve graphically the pair of linear equation 3x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 21 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle. A triangular region formed by these lines and x-axis. Also calculate the area of the triangles. So the given pair of linear equations are 3x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. Let this is first equation, and 3x plus 4y minus 21 equals to 0. Let this is second equation. Likewise, let's find out the values of each of the linear equation. So here the table for 3x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0 is when x equals to 3, y is 3x plus 3 whole divided by 4. That means when x is 3, we get the value of y to be 3. And when x is minus 1, the value of y is 0. Let us name this as a 3, 3 and b minus 1, 0. That means the straight line joining AB joins the point a 3, 3 and b minus 1, 0. Similarly, the table for 3x plus 4y minus 21 equals to 0 is when x is 3, y is 3. Let this is the point A, and when x is 7, y is 0. Let the name of the point is C, C7, 0. So the straight line AC joins the point A 3, 3 and C 7, 0. Let's draw the graph. So as you can see, the line passing through A and C, which is 3x plus 4y minus 21, it meets the x-axis at 7, 0. And the straight line passing through A and B, which is 3x minus 4y plus 3, it touches the x-axis at minus 1, 0. And both the straight lines intersect each other at the point A 3, 3. So the lines AB and AC intersect each other at A 3, 3. So the solution given by the pair of linear equation is 3, 3. Now the coordinates of the triangle ABC are A 3, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 7, 0. The area of the triangle ABC is 1 by 2 into height into base. Here height, if we treat M to be the point of contact, then AM is the height and the base is BC, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 3 into 8, or it is equals to 12 square unit. Hence, the solution given by the pair of linear equation is 3, 3 and the area of the triangle so formed is 12 unit. Is the answer. So graphically, that the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x minus 8 by 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So the given pair of linear equation is 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. Let this is first equation, and 2x minus 8 by 3y plus 5 equals to 0. Let this is second equation. Likewise, let us find at least 2 points for each of the straight line. The table for 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0 is when x is 3, y is 2, and when x is minus 1, y is minus 1. So we got 2 points, 3, 2 and minus 1, minus 1. That means we can say the straight line AB joins the point A 3, 2 and B minus 1, minus 1. Likewise, the table for 2x minus 8 by 3y plus 5 equals to 0 is when x is 3 by 2, y is 3, and when x is minus 5 by 2, y is 0. So we got 2 points, 3 by 2, 3 and minus 5 by 2, 0. Or we can say that straight line CD joins the points C 3 by 2, 3 and D minus 5 by 2, 0. Let's put it in the graph. So here in the graph we can see the straight line CD passes through C 3 by 2, 3 and D minus 5 by 2, 0. And the straight line AB, it passes through A 3, 2 and B minus 1, 1. So from the graph it is clear that the pair of lines represented by the equation 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x minus 8 by 3y plus 5 equals to 0 are parallel. That means they have no common point. Hence, the pair of equation is inconsistent. It's proved. So graphically that the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. X plus 2y equals to 5 and 3x plus 6y equals to 15. The given pair of linear equation is x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Let this is first equation, and 3x plus 6y minus 15 equals to 0. Let this is second equation. Let us find out at least 2 points for each of the given equation. Let us find at least 2 solutions for each of the given equation. Now table for x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0 is when x is 5, y is 0, and when x is 3, y is 1. So we got 2 points 5, 0 and 3, 1. Then so you can see a straight line AB joins the point A 5, 0 and B 3, 1. And table for 3x plus 6y minus 15 equals to 0 is when x is 1, y is 2, and when x is minus 1, y is 3. So we got another 2 points 1, 2 and minus 1, 3. So the straight line CD joins the point C 1, 2 and D minus 1, 3. Now the graph represents like this. It is clear that all the points A, B, C, D, all the points lies on the same line. From the graph it is clear that the pair of lines represented by the equation x plus 2y equals to 5 and 2x plus 6y equals to 15 are coincident to each other. Therefore, the pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. Hence proved. Let's see an word problem. 5 years ago, Sagar was twice as old as Binay. 10 years later, Sagar's age will be 10 years more than that of Binay's age. Find their present age. Let the present age of Sagar is x years and that of Binay is y years. So 5 years ago, Sagar's age was x minus 5 years and Binay's age was y minus 5 years. And after 10 years, Sagar's age will be x plus 10 years and Binay's age will be y plus 10 years. Now, according to the questions, we have x minus 5 equals to 2 whole into y minus 5, or we can write x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Like this is first equation, and x plus 10 equals to y plus 10 plus 10, or you can write x minus y minus 10 equals to 0. Let this is second equation. Now let us find at least 2 solutions the above system of equations. In equation 1, when x equals to 5, y is 5, and when x equals to minus 5, y is 0. So the 2 solutions are say a 5, 5 and b minus 5, 0. And in equation 2, when x equals to 5, y equals to minus 5, and when x equals to 10, y is 0. So the 2 solutions are say c minus 5, sorry 5, minus 5 and d 10, 0. Now let put these points a, b, c, d in the graph. So from the graph it is clear that both the lines AB and CD intersect each other at the point E. So from the graph it is clear AB and CD intersect each other at the point E, which is 25, 15. But 25 is the value of x coordinate and 15 is the value of y coordinate. So we can say x equals to 25 and y equals to 15. That means hence the present age of Sagar is 25 years and that of Binay is 15 years. Is the answer. Friends, here we saw few examples, few questions. But the more and more such questions you practice, the easier it becomes and the more you like it. So practice more and more such questions, and in case you come across any difficult questions, please feel free to share your questions with me. It will be a pleasure for me if I can help you out in solving your doubts, in solving your questions. And one more thing, this is not an exact graph, as we have represent in a PowerPoint presentation that we have represented the graph in a PowerPoint presentation. So the graph that we have seen is not perfect. However, if you practice these questions with the help of your graph paper. You will get the perfect picture, perfect diagram, and it is advisable that practice the questions in a graph paper. So this was for today's class. Thank you.